Ewobi, the family of slave, help me to call him. Tell him that analyzer is life right now. Call him. Egbovien. Egbenije gbiyan Zohan Obaseki. The family of slave. The family of slave. Who hail from Benin Kingdom. Please help me to call him. Tell him that analyzer is live and direct. Yes. Help me, join me. Yes, share this video for me. Share the video for your sister. As they ought to make with a take am like that. As they ought to make with a take am, make with a collect am. Share this video, my wonderful and amazing people. Share the video. Help me. Share this video. Make una help me. Go call the family. Call this family for me. Let them come. Egbovien, egbeniye gbiyan Zohan Obaseki yana mweda gbiyan. Yana muyo Obaseki oboyana Obaseki warierima o. Warierima o egbeniye Obaseki Godwin Obaseki, not even the entire Obaseki. Egbeniye Godwin Obaseki. Yawera. Please. Help me to call him. Tell him that analyzer is life. I'm here to at least help him, help his wayward lineage to do the needful. Please, good evening, everyone. This is not the time for greeting. I just came live. I saw a video that this Ewobi, this dirty thing here did. This dirty thing is insulting his useless mother, insulting his useless parents. Yes, please call him for me. Tell him that analyzer is life. I am the mother that mother the mother end. Tell him that I'm life. If a bodo fia kun lele raviju na wa bera wa bijowa nigi pa gbo ye raviju nu lowo kana dari ore no gun gbo na vanu kun fia ye raviju ni sangone bo wa gbo ye raviju useless bastard idiot. I am calling you, come here this evening. You went, you said your mother is useless. Your useless mother went to government house. I didn't go to government house uninvited. Let me now tell you. The deputy governor, I was at his house. Yes. On the 23rd. No. On the 24th of July. I was with the deputy governor. Please share this video. If you not share this video, I not go like him. I not go talk. I was with the deputy governor. I went to his house to give him an invitation card for my father's remembrance. So I went to his house. He told me, Mama, follow me. He welcomed me very well. Mama, sit down in my sitting room. Let me take shower. We can go to the government house. That was how I followed him. Do you think me and Eliza, Mua, will be the last person to go and be using myself or flaunting myself for governor because I campaign for them? No, I'm not like you. I am not like you. I am not like your useless family where you came from. Oh, Obama, I'm not like you. The deputy governor invited me to government house. He said, Mama, let's go so that we can be able to talk. That was how I went there. I didn't went there to go and ask for cow. What is cow that I cannot buy? What is cow that I cannot buy? If we can buy ticket of 6 people to go to Nigeria, summer holiday, do you know how much it costs? Do you know how much? Not to talk of doing burial. I am the only child of my father. Go and ask those who came to that place. Go and ask them. So I was happy, and I'm still happy that a Kpai Odubu came. Pastor Sageze Yamu came. Yes, the people that I really said, yes, I can pay for, they were there for me. They were there for me. So I didn't go to Kpai place. I never even called the governor. I don't call. Those who know me, they will tell you that analyze, I don't call. I don't call. I don't call. I don't call. I have self-respect. But you, your entire family, no self-respect. They put it in Obaseki hand that Obaseki should lead their family. Obaseki is the breadwinner in your family. Without Obaseki, your family doesn't exist. Wish you a useless woman. Iju a useless woman ona ya we le book eri ba any iju anya. A useless woman egele no. Oh yeah, we le book. That was how you went to go and be doing like book for to feed your family. That was how you went and start paying school fees for your younger ones. Because you that is insulting Obaseki behind closed door, come and swear. Come and swear that you did not tell me and Eliza before the campaign, that you did not beg me to campaign for Igodao. I told you no. I am not a supporter of Obaseki. If I have been criticizing Obaseki for good 4 years, I will not deviate and I will not support Igodao. Igodao, I don't know him. Igodao didn't do anything to me, but because of Obaseki, I don't hate Obaseki, but I hate his legacy. I hate what he stands for. Is it not what I told you when you were begging me? Mama, please say you will support us. I said no. Is it not that you now told me that the way you campaigned for Obaseki, that Obaseki did not campaign for himself like that? You that is a blackmailer, you are insulting Obaseki behind closed door. Come and swear. I said, Doji Wevembo. Do ma kama where Obaseki then uya campaign, Obaseki there. Obaseki ma campaign egbe everio. That he win and win and Obaseki man win and egbe everio. Come and swear. Now what better what bijua. Va bofia kun lele ran bijou. Who wish you a useless woman? Who wish you a shameless APC supporter? Ah, what better what bijou. Do you think I support APC and I'm depending on APC? Never. Never. Supporting APC doesn't make me to be dependent. No. I said go and ask the governor, ask the deputy governor if I call them. You have their number. Call them and ask if an analyzer carry telephone. I begin call the deputy. I didn't call. I didn't call. The deputy said, Mama, you didn't tell us, so I didn't know. You should have told me long before this thing. I said, no. I didn't call. It's not that I don't have their number. I am not the kind of person that when I finish, I will start taking telephone. I will be calling one politician or the other, calling one politician or the other. No. Eva esi ohiyegbe awa boa iba bofia kun lelue aiwa wa owa iba bofia kun lelue. This is he came. Please let me share this video. Hello. Baba, I agree to. Hey, you just catch me. Oh, buta Baba, call me. Okay, okay. Okay, Baba. Okay. Okay. What's it? I get self-respect, self-dignity. I am a married woman. I am a mother. I have children. So why should I be calling a politician up and down? I don't do it. I said if there is anybody in the entire Edo state, if you know an analyzer have taken telephone to call you and say this or this or inviting people, the only person I called, it was even a pal who said, call this person. I've spoken with him. It was in Egbe, the essay to the governor. That was the only person. I sent invitation to him. Did I start? Nobody, no one else. I said the entire if any politician for Edo State say, me, this woman, I don't talk to you, you call me. Let the person come out, including the governor. I said what I said. I said Edo is not shining. That the governor should not allow people to brainwash him. The same way you brainwashed Obaseki. You told Obaseki that Obaseki is wait and see. Wait and see governor. So Obaseki was thinking he's doing the right thing. As long as you people gave him big name, wait and see governor. Whereby there is no road in Benin. There is no road in Benin. Okpebolo just entered barely a year. I am not criticizing Okpebolo and I will not talk to Okpebolo. He is the governor I supported. I campaigned for him. I said it. Did they thank me? No. And I'm still waiting for the thank you, which I already know it's not too late. The governor will thank me. I'm not asking that he should come and give me money or he must come and give me position. Position. Or you think I'm desperate like you? When people like me was since 1992, we make it with politics. Ou meme, on vient, ekbeni yek benyak yon vient, le Obaseki. Ou a guagua, without Obaseki, there is no Obazee family. Ou a gbeo, ou meme. Is there Obazee family when I yawe le buke ya fidi you are? Una yawe conductor. Ou a guagua, ma bola wekbe, Obaseki do me we. You think I will be like that or be calling Okpebolo up and down, calling the deputy governor up and down? Ah, what boa, wa. Of your bewe. Of your bewe. They of your bewe. Why are you? We are doing yet. Why are little Obaseki there? Obaseki must give you SSA. He must give you appointment. They don't give you appointment, you can't cry. Yes, for Loretta, oh, it was settled. The video I did few weeks ago, you doctored my video, no dikungbuwe. If I have ever said, Okpebolo is the worst governor ever. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Me ya fe nuriri oboshi. Who's your mama? Who's your mama? Who ye beramema? Who you webema? Who ye me ya fe na ya nyagmu ye yama? Imata veri oni. Ebe wahia. Mota emawe. Ebe o wahia. Ebe akboru edino de. Uagbeo. Ogun ogbuwe. Useless in best side. All social media buna or sell out gwen. They key another one. You think I am the like of those who you talk to and go free like that? Talk to me, I said I will come. Arena. You are too small for me. When I'm a good you yesterday. You went and take care of yourself before coming out to talk to me. Moi analyzer. You are too small for me. Your useless wife is also too small for me. Only no my bath for you can 35 years old. Okpolo fuera furi. Ogun ogbuwe. Uwa. Ai wabo edoni. Egbe no ma bath inukere. Obaseki do me with family. Is it not Obaseki? If not Obaseki, who know your family? Who know you? Who know you? Oya dobole Obaseki ukmo. Thinking Obaseki will be the one to come and father you. Useless boy, useless in bedside. Calling your mother a useless mother. Your mother is a useless woman. Ona ya de karowati wekioni chanya. Ori lo edo ya for mami o mami e karowati de. Ona wekioni chanya na ya de demovet. I don't insult people parent, but I'm not your mate. Is it today people are supporting people? Is it today that people are supporting people? No, you lose election since you people lost this election. Because you thought you will be eating a free money. You thought you will be eating a free money. Now what better will be you are? A free money of Yagbuwe. Slave family. Slave family. A servant. Is this 21st century? The entire family turned themselves to a Obaseki slave. I'm a slave, you're the slave. Egbeya slave, grandchildren, papa, mama slave. You think somebody like me would be like that? I can pay for Okpebolo. I left. Go and ask them if they see analyzer number calling them. I have self-respect. I have self-esteem. I told the governor, I said the door is not shiny. And the governor should not allow anybody to brainwash him. Edo is not shiny. Edo is dirty. I went to different places. In that Edo state. And it is not shiny. There is nothing shiny there. The governor should not allow anybody to use that language for him. It should work. If I were to be the governor, all these places I mentioned in Edo, he should go and fix them. He should fix them. That is his own legacy. Obaseki doesn't have legacy. He now went, he cut my video half, where I said Obaseki is the worst governor. He now went, he now said, this woman is saying, Okpebolo is the worst governor. They were not saying, hey, the woman Okpebolo way just enter. I was not talking to Okpebolo. Okpebolo just enter. Every error in Edo State today is Obaseki error. It's Obaseki error. It will take Okpebolo 4 years to clean that mess up. Because Obaseki didn't work. They were calling him wait and see. Wait and see, Obaseki will wake up. He will go and be petty secretariat. Obaseki will wake up. He will be using 8 years to do a Kenwa road. 4 kilometers of road. Obaseki was using 8 years. Squandering Edo money on this useless investor. Nowhere kume na gekwenki ye. Iba bofia kun lelu egbe. Umaewa. Awa bera wa bishua. Me and your parents, we are age mates. Umeme. We are age mates. Motai. Obazee. Uamemwa. Even of your bad doba. And your fiantofia. Aiwa. When we picture of bedore. Who are big umanya. Who are me bring a picture of ba. Ogohiak bue. Ogohiak bue. Today, Ravijwe beg nonsense in who. Any arule aria guayaka webava mama girl or more than any mabie. No, Ravijwe totaye dovani keke. Ogohiak bue. Uga la dia dotia bom oguik bue. Uma veti oguik bue. Uagbeo. Useless in Besa. This boy can spoil Obaseki name for back. He can destroy Obaseki name for back. If you let me open mouth, If you let me open mouth. If you let me open mouth. Obaseki ahuegberawa. Uagbeo. Ovien. As boy. If you let me open mouth. If you let me open mouth. If you let me open mouth. You think all what you are saying behind back. I don't know. Ugbeo. Umeme. Umeme. I think you see my husband. Say now we get social media. Ozuo. Did I not tell you? Uagbeo. You went. The only thing you did yesterday, you went and clean up yourself before coming to talk to me. Before coming to talk to me. I said, if there is anybody, now me analyze and they talk. You did those state. You don't call me, you don't give me 1 naira. Come out and say it. Come out and say, take this money, use it to support me. If you are in Nigeria, the entire country, I supported the president. If you have ever, I know they support loser. You supported Okowa lose. You support Obi lose. You support he go down lose. You are a loser. I don't belong to those level, loser level. Where? Who have you supported that have lost? Who have you supported that have lost? You when they destroy Obaseki name for back, you go confront, come they act like say, now you like Obaseki pass. I say make you come swear. Whether you not tell me say, the way where you take work for Obaseki not work for himself like that. The way where you take campaign for Obaseki not campaign for himself like that. Oh man, it was 3 wake up. You begged me to support Igodawa. I said no. I said no. Ekenije Owamani. I am forever supporting APC. Is it not what I told you? That I cannot support Obaseki. I don't like what he stands for. I don't like what he stands for. A conductor, leg bouquet boy. Leg bouquet. Or we are here that for the entire or the rest of your life. You are a slave. If I were to be Obaseki, he should run away from you. You are a backbiter. You are destroying his name behind closed door. You are bringing his name down. Even Obaseki not get good name today. You are the one who gave Obaseki that bad name. You make a lot of Edo people to dislike Obaseki. Because you want to belong by armies. You want to belong by armies. Warriors Zanki Ravijue. Wasiane Manatia Bone Ravijue. You are a bad child. You are a bad child. Evil child. Who akakena afi wefi. Aya zesefua. Yenbenire. Who agbeo. You that is destroying Obaseki name behind closed door. Who guagua. Who meme. Don't let me talk. Oh. If I open mouth, If I open mouth, and your record go full. Oh, guagua. Allah onai. No sela gwen venageki yogoto. About fiakun lelue. Useless non-entity. You come out yesterday, and this useless woman, he go government house, he go beg for cow. My family bought them. Go and ask those who came to my father. Remember, go and ask them. Go and ask them. I returned drinks. I returned drinks. We bought from here. We ship. We cargo drinks. You think I'm a dependent like you? You are too useless for me. So when I say Jimeni, I do a good one. Or when I say put in Umuyowa, a Bimanumuyowa, a baby elephant in Umuyowa, a 35 years old girl, not even a 65 years old girl. No Muyowa. So you people are too low for me to talk to. So one more insult, I send it to your father. Awabera wa bijua. Era kokue. Ona ya awele buke. Ya pay school fees in era. Where is your father? My father died 50-something years ago, 50 years ago. It's more than 50 years now. Menera me masawe. Yawe conductor. Ai wawae. Ai wawae. Biele vioma si kokinya. Ai wawae wana yegbuwa kion viele Obaseki vedo. E homa giyeme. E homa giyeme. Wama gegbe yo kivedo. Wakpa jare aga en governor. Do you know that my family is even closer to Obaseki? Obaseki is my in-law. I said Obaseki is my in-law. He cousin marry my papa cousin. If I bring that picture here now, you don't know your mate again. What is causing this frustration for you? You destroyed Obaseki name. You make people to dislike Obaseki. You make people to insult Obaseki. You say all sorts of things. I'm not going to go ask for cow. He said this useless woman went to government house to beg for cow. Me. Cows. Cows. I said cows. My family bought. We are capable. My husband is capable. Oh, go boy. I bet you know no person where you they call all the time they talk to. Who am I? Who's war? Are you mad? I say go ask governor people whether I don't call them. No. Ask the deputy whether I call. I know they call anybody. I know they call anybody. I know they call politician. I know they call. If I'm supporting you, I'm supporting you. Based on the likeness I have for you, based on how I believe in your ideology, I support you. I don't support because you must give me something. At least for all these years now, even say, analyze and one comment. When I say I not comment, detail what would they do for President Tinubu? Oh, was I not very popular? Very, very popular. If I'm on live, 3,000 they watch me. I not comment, I not show face. Because I know they hungry like you. I know they hungry like you. You not collect money from Okowa. You not collect money from Obaseki. Why are you not doing things freely for them? Whoa, why Bola Wegbe? Hello. Baba, I greet you. Good evening. Good evening, Baba. Yeah. How am I?
You were not a giveaway, Ladia.
How am I? I know ya. Of your going on, do you get that or that?
No, you're going. My baby will lie or lie. You came out. My baby will not hear. Tell what Obaseki how we go near here. No, tell what Obaseki how we go near here.
Babala Zebo, ya wenu Zebo. You know, upon all that, all he is still destroying Obaseki name for back. He did destroy Obaseki name for back.
Yeah. Abat is a hungry lion. He's from a very poor and rich family. Obaseki, Abat. Abat is their parents is so poor. Their parents is so poor. Now coming out from that place, then Obaseki can't give him one naira. If not, you show more Obaseki no one.
Obaseki no one. Now show more than I make Obaseki no one.
Oshomole introducer to Obaseki. Make you tell you say now betrayer. He betrayed Oshomole.
For sure.
After betraying Oshomole, he begins to support Obaseki.
Yes.
Abat is among of the people when they shout follow Obaseki. We can see governor. Now they lead Obaseki to the problem when Obaseki did so.
For sure.
Obaseki enter as a governor 2016 to 2024, Obaseki not do anything for Edo. Now them about concern.
Nine.
Now them about cause the problem. About make people hate her because he was not a good advisor to Obaseki. If na me be Obaseki, anytime when I see him, I not going to let her near me again because he just spoil Obaseki tire.
No, Obaseki no say they destroy in for back. They spoil Obaseki name for back. They use man, they take the finish her for back.
Obaseki failed woefully today. He did for Albert hand. You see, 2024, when they five people when go support Obaseki, you see, say nobody answer him again because 2020, everybody don't know him.
Yes.
Make you tell no say, Albert na hungry lion. He take say let's go see governor. You see, they share money when they.
He share money where Obaseki give stainless that time.
Albert no say he with Obaseki they don't go. Albert no say that he not get glory again.
You not see that the way he see go down with Oshomole where he begin wrong go the bed where he say I want call APC people. I want call they support APC now because one make be. He's hungry.
Because they hungry. Already go down know who he be now. Already Obaseki know who he be now. Now, even Zabovo because all of them. You know the shame?
People where they Obaseki government, you they insult them. People where Obaseki take they work, you they insult them because you want to eat. Huh?
You want to eat. No, you know, say if you dey watch now, but then I dey pay because no money again.
Money not
there.
When
you go they pay for house rent for UK. You need to go and work now.
I say they do video yesterday, they beg for money. If they do video yesterday, they beg for money, super chat me. Give me, you can send me $50, you can send me $10, you can send me $20. You can send me $20. I am winner. Obewe.
When he get driving license, he go buy one Mercedes. He say na he buy am. Albert went to rent that car for only 5 days.
You see? No, it is say people don't know what they do for UK.
He return now. When he return the motor, he want tell they say Naira no me go the driver for night. Who are you deceiving?
No, leave him.
All your fake life. When they do, you know say na UK in the.
No, leave him. You don't know say people no know. People know.
Useless woman be. If he get to it now, make him go Nigeria. I think they tell people that time maybe they call Nigeria. Make him go Nigeria now. Albert, call Nigeria. Albert, we say make you call Nigeria. In the tea say maybe you don't see people when you call your bed your burial, the burial when you do for your papa.
No, you don't see them. No.
You not see them.
Why you not see them?
It is say you be person. It is say you be person when they beg.
Not me.
Like when you go they beg, when you go they lead down, they beg for Obaseki with the people, make the help am.
No, leave him.
You know if you do marriage, now Obaseki.
Now Obaseki. Without Obaseki cow, you not go fit exist.
And today so. Nothing when they do when they get here because it's a cost. They cost man, they cost Albert. They cost her.
They don't swear for that.
People when they cost for that Manchester now they beg money. When they call them they could that time.
Okay.
I be people when they UK. I be people when they Holland. I be people when they Germany. I be Italy.
Bologoy.
All that women when they give her money. Now they are blame. When you did Nigeria, they collect Obaseki money. If they call the Likute, but now his wife don't come here. I will tell you, his wife not be the real Likute staff.
You don't know now. You don't know. It is everybody be like her.
What you concern? No politician, Mama. Do you know why we like you? Why we say yes? Will they follow you? No politician when go come out today when go say he don't give you money.
You know they. I know they collect kobo. You know they.
Mama. If you call anybody come out when you don't work, you call her come out where?
Yes.
To repair our country, our state.
Yes.
because you did not collect money from anybody. You can bring anybody. Anything when we dey tell Okpewo now, anything when you dey tell Okpewo now, not for Okpewo to take get sense, make it take work.
Make it not go, make them not go lead down like the way where they lead Obaseki enter inside gutter.
They lead Obaseki. Yes, they lead. Now what do you see? Now make you dey tell Okpewo now, say don't mind these people.
Where do is shiny? Shiny for where? Shiny for where? You wait, they say do is shiny. You they pass inside those poto dirty road way not good. And then you go come and say, no, I not feel work like that. I not feel work like that. I will say the truth.
Because they not giving money. They not giving money. No 1 naira. Nobody give you 1 naira.
It is the truth. That truth go set every one of us free.
Anybody need to be truthful to Okpewo.
If you are working for Okpewo, you tell Okpewo, Ogasa, Your Excellency, this place no good. Oh. This place no good. This place no good. The governor go put an eye on it to go fix am. If he fix am, now then go praise. Not be me. Not be me. So instead of me to come and come, they say, Edo is shiny. This one is shiny. When I not say no, they shine. I am deceiving him. Now the thing where they do Obaseki be that. Where can see? A matter way no hand over. He know the shame say governor when he use 8 years stay safe. Your governor no hand over. He no hand over, he run come out. He know the shame.
He no say you when they talk now. Say this is what we talk. What do we take appeal? Help us do one. Now you be the right person. You talk for Tinubu that day. You work for Tinubu. You say Tinubu that Lagos road no good.
They don't go to repair some bridge now. Food no there. People are crying. The president listen. He start to the work on her. He start to the work on her. That is how to help people where you support. That is how to help people you supported. You cannot go and be telling them this one is good, that one is good. Meanwhile, it's not good. That is not help. It's not support. Anybody where is support Okpewo, if they tell Okpewo I do is shiny, meanwhile, Okpewo, they see all those roads, say it's not shiny. They are deceiving him. Okpewo should sack them. I employ people that will tell you the truth so that you can be able to do the right thing.
But people no say Okpewo need to work on what you tell them. Because you go tell them the truth, because you not collect money from anybody. You work with Okpewo with free mind.
Yes.
You carry your members work for Okpewo with free mind.
Yes.
And we get the right to tell Okpewo say this Agbo road not good though.
Edo is not shiny. Period. Edo is not shiny.
Because now what you need to now. Now we go know say yes.
Edo is shiny later. Not be now.
We go say see waiting they do, waiting our governor do. He do here, do over a bridge. Now waiting people when they tell Okpewo now say Edo is shiny, they're not plan good for Okpewo. I'm not telling you if Okpewo they hear me now, they tell her the truth.
Okay.
The truth we not they beg money for, we not the beg position.
No.
If we do, I know they do for position. If I they go as I they work, if government not pay me money when they pay me here.
No.
I not be about when not they work.
I not be about.
All your
money where go say me analyze I want come up for year. I want come up for year. It must be 10 million, 10 million, 12 million. Anything less than that, I'm not. Simple. Everybody get as it day. It's simple. You go base your salary per month.
We are not begging.
We are using euro here. I'm using euro. People are using pounds. Who they receive 4,000 pounds, 5,000 pounds in a month? Come out. Then how you want to sort your bills out here? How you want to sort them?
Mama.
No, leave it. It say everybody be like her.
Only the bill when person they get every month, my bill is almost 3,200. My house renting, my car expenses, my insurance, everything.
Okay.
Everything when I pay, my life bill, everything. My car, the box when it did, I need to pay insurance for it. If Okpewo get sense, anything when we did tell her now, we can pay for Okpewo. We beat Ihoda hands down. Okpewo is supposed to be listening to you, to people when they tell her the truth. Not be a do
Now the truth I go tell the governor.
No, we don't need that one. We need
Hey,
one.
Kpai say thank you, sir. Pa Kpai for the star.
4 years of coming, 4 years again.
Don't tire.
You don't need to compete.
No be my brother now, Godwin or Sereme. I know when in the me with and they drag him out that time during Obaseki time. He supporting go down, but see waiting in the right here. He say no sentiments now. If governor work, they go praise her. If you not work 4 years, it's 4 years. 4 years is not forever. Now what till you do now? I go bring you out. Obaseki, they're not driving for APC. They're not drive Obaseki for APC. Not be go PDP. He not see scatter the PDP way go. He scatter. Who make you go down or lose this election? Who make you go down or say, though people say they don't want to go down? It's Obaseki character. He go down not do me anything. He not do Edo people anything. And because of Obaseki. It's because of Obaseki. Well, let us tell ourselves this truth.
It's the truth, Mama. It's the truth.
Please help me to love and like this video. Now him and his wife. His wife will be drum for us. Now what did they do be that? If you they tell them what did they way they pay them, they go they report. They try to bring page down. The page me wari ye report una yoboka emi nume o aya asa. Emi nume ni nuwe we do weni. O aya asa because I know they go your own. You they insult your parents there yesterday. I just look, I come up for there. From there, I start to the beg. I just pity people where they go listen to her. I not lie. The boy is not coherent. He doesn't know what he's saying. He doesn't know what he's saying. You are talking to an analyzer at the same time. You are talking to the one way there, America. You are talking to another person again. They insult 3 people, 4 people at the same time. So which one people can't they live and they work out, they come out? People can't they live and they work out, they come out. He when no that way say, oh we are ya say page now. Umayeme. When my no if your body. Umayeme no if your body. Continue why bring guy down. When my no if your body. I want poor. No, you go to talk to people where they Nigeria. Those ones fear not go let them talk to her.
For Europe here, when they now Europe from Holland to where it is, in all these 16 hours.
All the videos where you take
it. If we want to deal with her, if we go deal with her, we go deal with her.
No, just leave her, Baba.
They not fit one.
Was over.
This one we go deal with her for years.
Our
so to where it is 30 minutes. We will see deal with her. But make it not say you be too picky.
No, leave her.
Do there for Nigeria.
No, make it come.
If get paper where they go write, they go write and here.
Baba, gyase ni bon aye. Yema em enough your body. Gyase ni bon aye. Eri ma ya ko allow gradually.
Yes. All the video, a video here no.
Baba, gyase ni bon aye. Gyamine so ine. Gyamine so. Now, when I went to Irish, he go know whether I get people for UK or not get. When I went to Irish, Europe we money a cake buekba. Even a babita. A money a cake buekba. You way don't create, you don't destroy for house. You don't destroy, you don't do everything. You want control Paduro by force. I see video where he do that. They say in the appeal, we don't get American visa. They don't give us American. Now to go do Aduro for Canada, now they go. Now the one way and the wife want to go do Aduro drop hand for Canada, where they want to chop Aduro from Canada, America. They go enter Canada. Oh, when I am like Canada. Now Aduro he won't go do for Canada. Nothing else. Is they happy? Because you know now UK wants start to pursue all of them. Once your education finish, you have to leave. You have to leave. UK don't tell them. So in they look for if they look for another place where you want to go.
They must start over you are made they look for Canada, made they know how to deal with them. Only Aduro when they chop for Canada, they go kill them.
When you have Obo, now Canada you won't go do Aduro. Oh, UK buy.
Unless he had go Canada, go. If he had, if even though he get paper, they go revoke him for Canada.
You will don't create atrocity.
No, say yes. We go let them know say yes. He did UK for you. No, they don't pay school fees. They say what he made them. I think make Kpai the wrong one. They cannot take say na people when in Nigeria when they do talk to people when in Nigeria.
No, leave
also when I not look a video yesterday because I don't want look am.
Now a person send that come give me. Now when me come see my brother Johnny Bizugbe o. Now I go say when they go on, may I go look. Now I take go look o. Now I take go look over we year over here.
Yesterday. I see when the busy big they give her yesterday. I be day before yesterday. I don't feel look. I don't see make I just make we quick.
Yesterday,
you know. Make about later. Make it just hide itself because that one, if they bring a record come out, it may be long. No way want enter for this country. Even they want chop aduro. It don't tire now. I think they want chop aduro for year before it don't retire. In Canada, they want go anywhere when you go.
and I they happy say he got American visa. We know say if he enter America now leg he want to cross enter Canada. Oh yeah, you well I have you boy you talk. Because he get one time where he newly come where he first see talk and say, he not go say UK here, na Canada na be his destination. I remember when he newly come say na Canada na be their destination.
Run for Canada. He go run for Canada there. Because many people when he saw that they Canada there. And I saw he could run up and down. Then last now Nigeria going down.
Oh my
Nigeria like going down. He not idiot. It is a big mommy. Mama, it is a
no liver. Liver, you know, Yahweh le book ya fidera bije. Yahweh le book fidera bi US. Aba me la oh, e go me gi omo won e oge.
Very jealous, very jealous. They talk about cow. It is a you know how many cow where they will line up for you?
No liver. It is a me ask. I can't social media, I can't ask for anything. I can't media, I can't ask for anything. You will go do something without media, not help you. You can never survive. Oh, Agbolikoshi, Agbeo, Agogo.
People they write you, say, Mama, what you need? They say them, no worry.
I say no worry. I say no worry, no need.
It's okay.
Me they say no need, no need. Me. This I be like when they donate money give.
Make you go look at the interview. People when they find you come from Lagos.
No, liver.
Don't say you support Tinubu.
Liver, you know you demand.
You come from Lagos.
Demand. Kpai go down, not listen to Ramo. The boy is frustrated already.
You know they listen to people. You know they see people when they follow you for Facebook.
No, liver.
People be that.
No, liver.
People when be medical doctor, lawyer, better people.
No, liver. You know no.
Maybe he want to go chop aduro to.
I say he won't go do aduro. He won't go do aduro. A political aduro, everybody. Abi you don't know say Canada don't why say the political party. Abi you don't see at that time. I go do aduro, political aduro. Oh my God, ọmọ aláìgbé ni wọ́n sì ra mi yan ọwọ́ ọgbọ́n mi. No nya so yẹn kéré gbé ni mi adùn àti ẹ̀bọ̀ náà no ìrè tí ẹ̀bọ̀ ni ṣe no sẹ́fẹ̀ sọ yìí èrè ọ̀sẹ̀ no you are too small no be today they start to dey support anybody. Gẹ̀ ẹ́ wẹ̀ bọ́.
Oh, no, so I don't believe it. Will be. It can't time anyway. It's yeah, big 6 months, you know. 6 months, on yeah, big boy, you return back. Don't blame me. Oh,
I know, Baba. What's it on? Thank you. What's it? What's it?
Okay.
See, my people. I'm not torturing. Waiting I do video for. He do video. After he don't come out. When, which video was that? When the Oba of Benin said, Edo people should fast for 2 weeks. You understand? That have been the tradition that the Edos have been doing for more than thousands years. But because this boy not be Benin, in origin they are not Benin. A real Edo person we know that before the year end, they always they fast. The palace, they always they command, say, make people fast. Even during the time of Oba, I remember those days we they do. Even there was one I did. That was very early, let me say around 82, 83, 82. I will say around 82. That time, they go say, make they not cook food where they use fire to cook. You understand? Oba can say, make food where they use fire to cook. May we not, may they not cook, may they not eat. Make nobody cook, may they, you know. Now you can know how you, what you want you stay survive that year. Now because of all these bad things, evil things, the fasting drive away thing. Person will tell you say, may you go fast. He know the reason. He will tell you say, go fast. He will also do some certain things on it. He get rituals or things where he go see do to take prevent different havoc. Some certain things, because I don't believe on this thing, say, if something don't they occur. Then they go know, then they go look, then they go consult. They won't know what they cause them. So if they don't see no, they'll come say, okay, Edo people see what una go do. But the inner one inside, our royal father, they always they do that one by himself. He not fit come out, come they tell the public, say, see what they won't do. But in way he tell you, say, see what you go do for her. Now just make you stay support her. He too go do his own. The bigger part, now he go do one. But this useless boy come out. He come they make egg brrry for a papa picture. Egg brrry for a mama picture. Egg brrry ju nwera vije. Egg brrry ju nwera vije. Iba bofia kun le luwe. He come they make egg brrry. Trying to use it to confuse a lot of Edo people that waiting the Oba Benin they talk. Now because of the insecurity where it happen. Insecurity have been in Edo. Now Obaseki now invite them come for Ruga. Now Obaseki say the Edo people need to give Ruga. Obaseki now he tell Edo go meet Buhari. He sign him that video I need to bring it out. He say he sign and make Edo they support Ruga. They even from House of Assembly say make Edo people bring a plot of their land. The entire Edo state. You all remember when trailer of people come they come down for Uromi, for Ekboma, for Oluku, for different places. Which people? Now Fulani people. Now all of them come they come down. Who invited them? Is it not Obaseki? Do you think Okpamolo can be able to clean that mess up within 1 month? Within 9 months? Okpamolo cannot clean that mess within 9 months. Okpamolo never signed that Edo people should bring Duruga. It was Obaseki who signed for it. And these people started coming. They were coming with trailers. They go bring their machine. People go come, they come down with machine. They go come, they come down with machine. Who invited them? Who told them that the door is fertile for them? Who told them that? Is it not Obaseki who went to Aso Rock? Because that was the reason Buhari supported him to win second term. And be not be so not win second term. Did Obaseki win that second term? Did they win second term? Not be APC for federal where he throw away high. Not be APC federal where he throw away high. Where he can't be say on election day now APC people for Edo State they can't they arrest. They can't they allow Obaseki people they have free movement for PDP. Or you people think we don't know what went on? How Obaseki became governor through PDP? You wait they destroy Obaseki name for back. You wait they disguagua Obaseki for back. For front you go they ask say you be better person to Obaseki. Obaseki not know you. If he know you, he go run for you. If he don't know you, he go run from you. Wow, you are born la wegbe. Wa fian wo yera mi joa. Oh, Koji. Oh, Koji say I thought. No. It was because, see, Obaseki was close to my family member. Obaseki, I would say, is a distant in-law to me. In-law, he's close to my family. So based on he's close to my uncle, that was the reason I was doing my video indoor. Because I didn't want to cause clashes between two friends. I didn't want to separate two in-laws. I didn't want to do all sorts of things because I know that once my family know that is my uncle daughter, they will send me indoor. Me don't want to go indoor. I didn't want to go indoor. And I come away video maybe Yoko wa. That was the reason. That was the reason. This house boy where you don't even know where Obaseki put his shoe. If they come out, come they make gra. People where they close to Obaseki, they know they make gra. People where Obaseki with they eat for the same table, they know they make gra. Obaseki family kpa, his brothers, they know they make gra. I be it say me no know Obaseki. Who bewa? Who devawa? Now today I don't they say Obaseki na mailo. Who meme? Who beo? Do you know how many of my family members who are very close to him? The same picture, they get picture. Who meme? Wa beo? Obie son ami wa. Obie fien. Now I make they do my this thing because I didn't want my family member to like, oh yeah, lawa, genke, whatever. Now my family come they say, hey, so now you be that. When we go to hear this voice, go to vibrate everywhere. So now you there behind. Yes, na me. Obaseki don't come out for power. Obaseki don't come out. So me no one cause a problem for friends. Now I make I suffer, they do my things there. Now I make I suffer, they do my thing. Because my family member now don't know who they there. You don't know who they behind the scene. I call it behind the scene. I was trying based on Obaseki is kind of ill. It was the reason I was criticizing him to make sure that Obaseki do the right thing. No, Obaseki because he surrounded himself with hungry ebitan ave mabule. Hungry e mabule. Egbenoma baf, egbenoma eriye. If he has surrounded himself with people who have brain, their thinking faculty is very good. I don't think the mistake Obaseki made now, that those people don't even want to hear his name. A governor will no hand over. This is the first in history. First in history, say governor no hand over. Oshomole de bini o. Oshomole de kan bini o. Who 1992 Oyegu de Binio. Oyegu is in Binio. Lucky Gbinejon, as people see in Sota and rich, Kosa and rich, do everything rich. Lucky Gbinejon try pass Obaseki. Lucky Gbinejon is in Binio. Oshomole they move up and down for Bini. If they go anywhere he like for Bini. Where Obaseki now? Your way can see your ematon. Ematon is not seeking asylum in America, Canada. He is roaming about everywhere. Ematon Magiria, that's why don't he govern. Why Obaseki running? He's running 1 year now. By November, now he go make a 1 year. Obaseki run away. You don't see govern where, go govern where. You go come out. Have you seen a governor who govern where and he will run away? If they say who make you go down, no, who make you go down, lose this election. Now Obaseki, he was not having a good name. Benin, they know they gather, they discuss. Those people, once they want to do you something, they go do one. And every day. Once they won't do you something, they go do one every day. Then go come tell you, say, yes, we not support, now we. Now I be watching them do Obaseki. Because everybody don't already see and say, no way. If you go down or enter, now Obaseki go they control you go down. And which we are right. So if you don't like Okpebolo, go out transformer. Now you know it's your cup of tea. If I see what's not good, I go tell Okpebolo. Because now my free heart I take and pay for her. Voluntarily, I take and pay for her. I was not paid for it. You all collected money from me without. Have you been doing anything for anybody without money? Well, we mean a politician without money. You they can pay for politician without money. You know they do. So me they can pay. I know they collect money. Because so I believe there is friendship tomorrow. I'm Yegbedowe. Now I do people they call them. I'm Yegbedowe. Mami Yegbedowe when me like be say I go Nigeria. I go do something for my father. Kpai Odubu came to support me. He was coming, he didn't come. He came with more than 12 people, with chiefs from the palace to support me. I'm happy. Me campaign Kpai Odubu. No. But he came. Because he with Kpai with my husband, they are from the same village. I've been supporting Kpai Zeyam. Only one money a day to my father this thing. Now I go Kpai Zeyam house. He came. What do you think? I'm overwhelmed. You see, say I come back, I do video, I take thank them. I'm overwhelmed. I don't get money, but I'm not desperate for money. I am not hungry for money. I'm not hungry for money. I am here, now I be waiting. I want to do something. I go invite a pal. People come they quarrel with me. Truly, my phone was not working. If not, they come return the kabaka. They must go for invite them. My phone was not working. Now when I don't finish, I can't get this contact. My old number, the thing, I don't know, the SIM card break. I don't coffee retrieve and I just rest. He say me go my house, I can't go there. You think say I be like you, your family, where it depend on Obaseki Christmas cow and rice? Who do you think I look like your family who depend on Obaseki Christmas cow and rice? Do you think if I'm making my demand in Nassau Rock, I will not get it? You know where my video don't go? You don't know your mate. Wow. You and your wife not rich. Only know Ofugede. Ofugede, 35 years old girl. If I bring my picture of 35 years, who we are so, who are me? Who are me? Who be a me for my control it boy? Who vont les rangs liri? E panti wamu la dianderio. E panti na yewe na ge. Ekbeti na bala meji. Wow. Ge kwa babo kanwe. 35 years. Ge kwa bogo ye na ge kwa bije me no kwa. E kwa boya dele. Wow. Umama no kukunwa. Beno na pushi we la diabumi adeni. Wa eva yakbe. Yakbe no semese we no gina we. Wow. Sakpana amu la bi we ne juwo hu. Uma ewa. Eye gbabo no bo ma wa bo no silita hon yi hu. Ugu gwogoa. Afian gbegidi ogbu e. E picture ri o bari mo ya zola comme social media re because u yon ba yebo. You remain Orionba forever. And a generational curse in onwe. You are Orionba forever. And you will continue to be Orionba. When man atete who is your motto no? Who is your motto no? Since I when forgetting that our children are bearing the same Obazee. Evi bieka. Evi bieleka. If that God they do, I don't know say the son where the children they answer. Waiting affect that son him go reach their body. Wow, what better visual. No ma koko seni. No ya we le buke do afidi wuwa. No ya we le buke do afidi wuwa. You get papa, you go they do le buke quand they feed, quand they pay school fees for your junior ones, quand they feed your papa, they feed your mama. You are very stupid. That's to tell you poverty or egbovien. I see your useless brother. They write nonsense comment there yesterday. Now I make a group all of una together. Ware mokbano. Me, moi. Oh. Who we ajime ya grow now. A platform wagbe wa we be increase eh. Metama weni. Wa wo kan we na piem nu wa piem ni ko na ye platform me. Iwe mi nu wa me o wa ya asayo. E dien dog gbese yo ni. If you do ya nire wane yak gbese you any. When my eni no yako. I think seri boru wonpa. I think seri bebo. Are very stupid because you want to eat. You go bring John Osage come out you go beat am. Uma bego you if you John Osage. Eya ye mose. You know see as you mock that boy rich, you mock her rich. Osanoba here why ye moya we. Fine children. Beautiful children. Even Ezamoko or Momosua. Are you not seeing or genocide your children when you dey more for how many years? You not see her? It surprise you. Because people where you know, they not talk. People where you know, they not talk. Say, Dion don't born. Another one is coming. A lot of us know, we not talk. We not talk. Because you need to be surprised for people like you. Because you don't want anybody to rise above you. And you don't want anybody to rise with you. Go and look at your brothers. I know what you were saying behind closed door about them too. Or you remember that night? We spoke for 1 hour. Wow. You are coming to doctor my video. Una would a video una doctor. If you want to fight me with my truth. The video I did, how I did it, how I said it. But if you turn it, Iwe tu afia wuyera bi yuao. U ahio bo kanole deriore. U no gbe kandi yo ohia gbuwe. Wa gogoa, idiot. He go insult this one, go insult this one, go insult this one, go insult this one. All the Benis, he don't insult all of them finish. Ekoti sugbo iwano. Unukbe yuayadion, unukbe rayadion ekoti sugbo. Unukbo. Have you seen a pack of Tisugbo being a nuisance or constituting nuisance on the government in enemy? Obaseki do me with family. Obaseki do me with family. Erana agbene tapi, ije agbene tapi, agbene tapi. Obaseki we can see. Obaseki we can see. When Obaseki dey, comment kinye kibije, iyamagi OM. Once he come out for video, they do video, you go come they see. Ask about anybody name on his Nigeria passport. Nah, but Obazee go see use. Nah, but Obazee go see use. Now it go be in name now. Now it be the name where they use. Oh, mweni well. Because you have been destroying people, you have been doing all sort of demonic things in diaspora. Because people don't talk to you. Wow. You are a terrorist. You are Samuel Ekpa. And it is high time that those state governments, they take legal action against you. You are creating havoc in Edo land. You are creating arrest. Yes. That time where in answer petitions, insecurity. Before you know, people go commit something for Uromi. Insecurity not there during the time of Obaseki. Who invited Ruga into Edo land? Who invited Ruga? Who brought Ruga to Edo people? Who went to Buhari to go and make a deal with Buhari? Who? Was this security not in Edo land? Have we not been shouting insecurity since 2021? Since 2021. Have we not been shouting insecurity? Have people not been protesting in Edo land? They not carry person coffee go give Obaseki for government house. People not from Ovia no carry coffee dead body, carry poo for casket, carry go government house for Obaseki. Where Fulani make buy for inside bush. Nou be obagbon, ni va bofia kun lelwe. Was it not done that year? They not carry gasket go give Obaseki for government house. And they ask you. Me, I criticize Okpemolu. And I will be here and I will tell Okpemolu. Do the needful. Do the needful. If you have to employ more vigilante, employ them. Give them a good ammunition. Let them go. Support them with sophisticated weapon. Support them. Let them go to the bushes and remove all these people there. Send them packing. That's your job to do now. So long Obaseki invited them, he brought them to the land. He brought them to the land because he want to be governor second term. Okpevolo, it is how you walk, sir. It is how you walk now that will now determine 2028. I'm just telling you the truth. Obaseki didn't work. His first tenure, he was using it to talk and talk and talk. Chief Danosiobi from PDP, they were not criticizing him. We were joining PDP to criticize him. That was what motivated him. Why did APC drove Obaseki away? Obaseki. APC drove Obaseki away because it didn't work. APC didn't want Obaseki to come and spoil their name. Because Oshomola used that name. He used that platform to work. Obaseki, he was now doing Chinese here, Chinese there. I signed MOU. I signed MOU. I signed MOU with Malaysia. I signed MOU with Singapore. I signed MOU with Obaseki was signing MOU. He signed MOU with Malaysia University. Till today, we didn't see Malaysia University in Edoland. We didn't see Malaysia University in Edoland. So long you feel that because Obaseki is no longer the governor and you want to be rubbishing Edo people, who are you are? Who are bell? You look like me, like somebody that is scared of fight. Who meme? During Peter Obi and Tinubu campaign, you not see how tough that election be. You not see how tough that campaign be. Me, I not stand there. I stand there. Edo people that are saying the truth, they should say the truth. Was there no insecurity during Obaseki time? People know they carry dead body, put for basket, go they draw for government house for her. Videos are there. Newspapers are there. If you want me to come out again and start criticizing Obaseki, I will start it. It's no longer the governor. But I will bring out all his error again. I will list them out again. Do I yafia who again who yafia? You are the one bringing Obaseki down. You are the one destroying Obaseki image. You are a terrorist. You are a terrorist. You have been terrorizing Edo people because you lost the election. So you are desperate to be in power. Because without power, you cannot be able to pay your bill. You cannot be able to feed your family without power. Hungry. I dare you now, not do video for 1 month. I dare you and your wife not do video for 1 month. They all have a magbuwa. You where they do video for more than 10 times in a day. Oh, I'm also now hungry. 3 euro where Facebook they pay you. Now hungry make you they do video 10 times a day. Who they work 8 hours or 12 hours? You go see time they come at 20 times a day. Because you not green blow. Your page is almost 800,000 and you don't have 20,000 like. You don't have 20,000 like. You don't have 10,000 like on your platform. A platform that has almost 800,000 followers. Your video hang up in 15,000, 10,000, 20,000. Once you see any Edo person where you grow past you, you go one bring her down. VDM just started 2 years ago. I know when VDM came to Facebook. We were doing the Obi Tinubu and Obi campaign. That was how VDM started. It started with his own personal story, life story. But today VDM is 3 point something. Agboma Gwere, you hang up in 700 or something. But the no followers, they follow again. Because they were all bot followers. They were bot followers. But because una see who pass una, you and the one way they American and they bring people page down. Una they go bring people page down. You not no push me oh. I just they keep quiet. No push me. No push me oh. It go soon reach there. It go soon reach there oh. I don't bele yakwa. Wow. Wow. If you want to criticize. Criticism is allowed. Criticism is allowed. After you don't go bring our Oba picture, you they make boom 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 boom, as if our Oba na your papa mate, our Oba na your mama mate. Era mighty tie wela wa where eminu unema Oh no to boy we baba ima gi o. Nu je na ima pa me favor o. Ima wa e o. Ero. Wa o wa. O wa ma go egun. Ladian. Nu gi sakmana no do nware yu o. Adon nu gi sakmana do nware yu o. Wa gbe o. Ba bo fia kun le lu e. Un done. You that is destroying your family. You are destroying your family. Wow. Emma Roviera visual. You are the cause. You are the cause, not your brothers. You are the cause. And the useless one inside the follow one. The one where they call back, you know, Bagbo. That one they write useless comment for your head yesterday. No fiahu. No digumbu. Wow. Those people when your brother they insult. Una better pass it. E kabaka. Odo kporu no sugbuwe. Kporu no sugbera vijua. Is kabaka your mate? Is Jonosage your mate? Is different people. Also, when I name them all, are they your mate? They are better than you. They know how to criticize constructively. But you don't know. Wow. Wow. Ozuo ewe. Ewe no lomari. He come UK. They do gaga. Who are bell? Fool. Ozuo. I'm just waiting for your reply. I never reply. Now the first video where you do, where you tell say your mama na shameless woman. Now they will say your mama go they beg governor for cow. They not buy cow for your mama. Now I don't fair reply. The live video where you do, me ma don't reply. Imaere ya refu. Ya irene we kero no na amwe bogbera video. If they don't reply. Now so we go they do one. O come 85,000 my page una sink down. Now 85,000 I get now. No problem. You wait get 700 or something. Me and you wait me 800,000. Just wait, don't worry. We are coming there. We are coming. If you know people where you know me. If I meet you, I meet you. Oh, you never insult. I've been at Destiny Bago and the family. They know my answer. They know my tia bonaboy. I've been at Eboso. Including the governor. I've been the deputy. They don't know my Murovia. Divya don't know my Murovia. Captain Osa, you insulted the man. You humiliated the man. You rubbish the man. Any member in your family. What more than the slippers of Captain Osa? Ogun Ogbu, o agbeo. O agbeo. Obviously, amiwa. Obviously, amiwa. Wow. Edon yak bitan. Awene mi o jagegbe. Since era visual we are bio money I think balo ye cheni. O viya no yu pofua. No magiya ya mu ari psychiatric. Insist ya we I think ba oge. Then ogbeni ami ebo ebe nothing. Uti e bombe. Eni mena we meruwe iye gbe ari na ari. Is straight to another dimension way. Wow. Try yourself. Try yourself. And they come back again. I say, they come back again. No be today they start to the support. No be today they start to the support. Obaseki not send you message. He go down not send you message. Even he go down where you support. He go down not they pick your call. He go down they pick your call. You know they pick your call. Look at human being 43. 43 years old. Look at you. Look at how you are. He go down. People not want you for body. They not send you. They not want you because they know say you be evil. You be bad head. He got where they smell. They not say you be bad head. You are bringing the image down. Look at this one. This fool. Obaseki marry no one why? Obaseki marry no why? You think you are Obaseki family? You think you are close to Obaseki? You think you know Obaseki? You think Obaseki not do biakon? Wow, he will not do that. He will not do that. If I were to be Obaseki, he should run away from you. You are the one that make people to be talking to Obaseki till today. If Obaseki is very smart, he should run away from you. You are pig. He won't win. In where you stain. You stain people. In one. Wow, I put in umu yo wamati go egwa. E penti ekbet in umu la janvedo. Adi yanik be dross. A dross you have can work by a pint. Your wife is wearing dross, not pint. E budi, e buloko. Wow. Gekwa babo kan waye na ekwa wemila. Umaya tage before she get to 40 45. Oh, here be my yuwa. Wow, abagbon. Wow. 35 years. You still have 5 years to get to 40. You are like this booty. Wa mi enemi whom we dross la dia e dross je na won egbeti. Wow. You come. She have support you to come out talk to me. Unu me wa mai iya ize nwe iya nwe be na rita hun. Wow. E record ni aya pe won next aya pe won gijwe. Me asun akpe yaban. Me asun akpe yaban. Wow. Si se iya won enemi owo jagegbe. As long as era visual mighty, iya mighty cheni weni. Iya ma cheni weni amu we are psychiatric. Then I will help them. I will help them. Obo ahadin ya ni ato bin ati ewe lawa. Wa gogwa. Nwo bu kho uno wi awebu. Obaseki run away. Igodao was very smart. Igodao was very smart to stay away from you. Igodao ran away from you. Barrister Sadin Ogyomu Welelegbe. Sadin Ogyomu Welelegbe. Go and look at your platform. Eyin ni ye platform wenine. Edo egbe grow unless you are going to be using money to push it forward. You are insulting people, you are begging money. You are insulting, you are begging money. Because here government money no they come again. Obaseki no they share the money again. Appointments no they. Campaign no they. I campaign for Okpebolo freely without collecting a dime. Can you come out and say it to Igodao like that? Igodao, I campaign for una. I not collect money. You know they. Brother Mike that one say, now 2 weeks in the campaign. Una pay 7.5 million. Igodao was busting the money. We not collect. We not collect. So you see people with self-esteem. You see people who want the betterment of Edo. If I don't want the betterment of Edo, I go tell Okpebolo, come pay me. Pay me, let me can pay for you. I didn't collect. Okpebolo didn't pay any one of us. We the talker now. He didn't pay any one of us on the media who supported him. We supported because, yes, we want Edo to move forward. We supported because we want Obaseki to leave Edo State. If Igodao is there, Obaseki will still be there. We supported Okpebolo. We are not hungry. We supported him, yes, for the betterment of Edo. For the respect that Edo we have tomorrow, because other states are looking down on us. It is caused by you people. It is caused by you people. It is caused by you people. Egwe monjive dene na asiye. Asiye ba bofia kuleluwa. Wow, awagbon. You can't come at people say where me and the quarrel start where he come out they insult him mama. I can't say he say do video. He say where the people, that is when Obaseki, when insecurity come out there is insecurity. Where the people, Obana say, may they come they fast for 2 weeks. Where are those people? Where he come they say, he be Orionba, Obaseki na Orionba, he begin they swear Ogun. He they swear, he they lay cost for people. Where he support Okpebolo, where they say Obaseki na Orionba, in na Orionba. He begin the Lakers. I can't see the video. I can't say, no, this boy is going too far. Not be today that they support. Him on daily basis, he they insult people. He don't insult his yam. We don't insult Odubu. We don't insult Oshomole. He insult the governor. He insult the deputy. He they rubbish everybody for Edo. He they rubbish everybody for Edo. Including our own monarch. Including our monarch. This boy go open platform. He go see bad insult, bad comments where people they comment for a platform against the monarch. This boy go sit down, he don't care because why? He wife na and Arisco. He wife and Arisco na the same family they be. So he don't care. He is trying to do the dirty job for Arisco. That is the reason this boy He is bringing our monarch picture out to be insulting his father and his mother. Because Egbarisko na Arioko, Arisko na Yinlo. Arisko na Yinlo. Now I make a come out, come they insult. Now I can say, now I do video. Now I see return the course. I swear for a way. I return and go back to her. Say, now be today that they do politics. Now you do politics for Edo. Now you turn out to bitterness. Now you make all those sons and daughters no come they see eye to eye. Now you turn this, yes. Today now he's doing it. He's turning the Esa against the Bini, trying to create a tribal war, tribal fight. He go come out, he go say, yes, Okpamolo Esa people, he is employing Esa, he is this, Okpamolo is that. When Obaseki did there, what did Obaseki do? Who carry our Oba go court? Who they drag artifact with the Oba of Benin? You know, say Obaseki they drag artifact. Can you bring one video you did to talk to Obaseki? You cannot talk because you are of him. I'll not ask you. I say why you not talk put when Obaseki they drag artifact. Oma wo here go on because na do Oba a bossy way. Because you are of here to Obaseki. You could not talk. Because you be of here. You don't want to make your master come on food for your mouth. Because you know, say, once you talk, it go come on food for your mouth. Wow. Abola wegbe. Me, we ikieme ime wahi. Me de baero. So mwegbe. Iwe nu mwegbe. Mwegbe kuwe kowo kanwe. Wa mwegbe. Wa mwegbe. Wa mwegbe gyawa suwa gyavyo we yona adoy. Maike wase 1 year. Maike wase 1 year na genegbe awo. I know they go see doctor now say I must pay insurance. One way video by time there. Can you stay away from live video from video? Where me I stay for a very long time. Me I stay away for a very long time from live from video. Immediately Okpebolo win. Now I say, hey, make I rest. Make I go rest. I rest. I not do video for a very long time. He go bring video when I talk to Loretta. You don't know say the matter they don't settle her. You know say the matter they don't settle her. Immediately I finish that video. They call, they settle, they call Canada, they settle. The ENA what they do for Canada. What do you think that ENA was about? What do you think that ENA what they do before they start the ENA? You don't know say they don't settle the matter. Ogwongbuwea. We did a group call. I talked to Loretta. I don't come up for there. I don't come up for there. Loretta not be my enemy. Now my Edo sister. Do a sungu. If I see what's not good, I don't talk. Governor people too, they don't see call. The deputy talk put. Everybody don't talk put. People don't talk put. It's simple. I don't see come up for there. Or you think say they never talk put. Wow. You go they bring video where they talk. You know say they don't talk put. Matter where they don't talk the day where they do ENA. Yes, Edo, whatever they are doing in it. They did it in Canada. Now that very day they see color say we don't settle this matter. Make we arrest. So you don't know. You think you wanted to go and cut my video and then you doctor my video? Say, or he said, the woman said, Okpebolo said, Okpebolo is the worst governor. I said, Obaseki is the worst governor in the history of Edo. But he go come out where for say Obaseki. He can't make her look like say na Okpebolo are they talk to. Who are beo? Who can soon who can? Who we are soon who can? Who are guagwebe? Who can guagwebe?